to make this happen in a short amount of time. Hands down, one of the best experiences that I've had yet. We had to install a whole ditch. It was all wooded. It was trees, vines hanging from trees, a lot of underbrush, probably 5 feet too high for any water to flow any direction. So we needed to install a ditch, make relief cuts, make this ditch happen, so when another rainy event does come, that nobody's getting water inside their home. This ditch, we cleared and cut, installed a ditch of 1,200 foot. The canal crew and the ditch crew came together. I absorbed the canal crew just for more hands on deck. Getting them was a definite benefit to this overall completion. It took roughly about 3 weeks with cleanup. If we were to contract this out, it would take roughly about, I would probably say, a month or more. Oh, it definitely saved us a lot of money. Doing everything in-house, we got to repurpose anything that we hauled off out of here. We get a repurpose, you know, so may that be to add to the swale crew or put in new spillways that, you know, we need material for. So anything that we use here is definitely going back to use for the city and its residents.